does this little hole go to?
You can see the president's head.
Oh.
Guess what? I don't know.
Good shot, George Washington.
Uh-huh. That's pretty freaking cool.
Yes, it is. Alright. Okay, buddy.
Map boy, where we at? I think we're right there.
Okay, so these stairs lead all the way back and there's 425 of them. Or we can just go the way we came.
Well, I believe that's just going back down the hill.
Yeah, it goes back down the hill.
Which I need to get back down to the parking lot and get the ticket so I can pay.
Yeah, but
up
we're
there.
going to the gift shop and ice cream.
True.
So maybe we should just go back the way we came to go to the gift shop and ice cream.
Oh, that's the sculpture studio.
Oh, we want to go to the sculpture studio.
Yeah, sculpture studio.
Yeah, well.
Oh, it's closed.
Closed?
Closed at 4. Yeah,
Oh.
That's what we
Oh,
okay.
Perfect, okay.
It's 4:08 and it's closed.
What is it? View Terrace. Okay, so we can let them know that the sculpture studio is closed. Unless you guys want to do the full loop. Oh, they're already going? Alright.
Okay, well, we gotta go catch up to
Guess that's settled.
It's settled, we're going.
Okay, I was getting a picture of the cute little baby chipmunk.
We're not adopting a chipmunk.
Chipmunks stay out here. This is where they live.
You must put it back down.
We're not picking up a chipmunk and putting him back down.
He might have diseases or something, but I don't want to
Yep. Well, they found, what, some squirrels in California with the plague?
I'm not your motorcycle. Please stop. Do not roast my engine. Mommy's engine needs some gas. Can you put some gas in it?
That looks like.
Alright. Yeah.
Sorry.
Head bonker.
Switching people.
Switching motorcycles.
That one has more gas.
I'm gas with this on gas. The things that claw them go up and down from the lower them. I'm gonna look cheap.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cool.
You make your own sculpture.
Okay, so this is what's closed, right? This building?
These were the models that they used to measure off of. So cool. Alright, so we are ending up Mount Rushmore right now. We're just doing the gift shop. We'll probably get some ice cream and then head on out to start driving towards Virginia some more.